actually leave the room, and the next match is between Ayan and Prabu. So I believe they are ready. So I think that would be interesting because Ayan is a 9.5-year-old solver, and you know Prabu from the last
Yes, sir.
competition. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Please leave the room so that. Hi, guys. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Ayan. How are you? Good?
Yeah, good.
All set?
Yeah, this is my first time attending any competition like a battle.
Nice. Okay, we have Prabu, who was the season 2 winner from last time. So let's see. Okay. So all set. Yeah, you have a timer. Okay, you have a box cube cover. Okay, you have a cube cover. You have a cube. And also Prabu, you are set. So as Prabu, you asked for me to send your scrambles to another number, right?
Yes, yes.
I'll be sending it there. And Ayan, you're fine with scrambles on Zoom, right?
Yes, sir.
Scrambles on Zoom chat, right?
Okay, Zoom chat. I went to Zoom chat and doing my first scramble.
Okay. No, we didn't send it yet. So are you both ready?
Yes.
Okay. So the scramble is here and the scramble is here for Prabu. Okay. Yes.
We both can scramble the same.
Yeah. Same scrambles.
Okay. Get one.
So I believe you know white on top, green on front, right? For scrambling.
Yes.
Yes, Prabu, you have set.
A bit nervous.
Right. It's
Hands
first.
are very cold. No. If it's live streaming means it is a very great nervous.
Okay. Is your friends watching? Are your friends watching?
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Okay. Let's get your puzzle verified. Ayan, please show me your puzzle. Yes. Both set. Ready? Your first solve.
Sir, I will go second.
No, you will go together. Not second.
Okay.
Okay, your inspection starts now.
Oh, okay.
Eight seconds. 12 seconds.
Wow.
Oh, you lied. 16.
16.78.
16.78.
And
14.46.
14.46. Okay. Good solve. Good first solve.
I'm an 11 average.
Yeah. No problem. So the competition now comes into play. So that's when, Okay, here's the second scramble. Prabu, you.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, Prabu is. Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
I think my scramble was wrong. I think so.
No, it's correct.
Correct.
Is my scramble correct?
Yes. Okay. So ready, guys? Whenever ready, show me thumbs up.
I'm not ready right now. I'm doing my warm up.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, I'm ready.
Both ready? Thumbs up if you're ready. And okay, so your inspection starts now. Eight seconds. 12 seconds.
Oh, shit. It's not a +2.
No. Can you show me the timer?
16.
16.78.
14.49.
Ooh.
Okay, no problem.
Last scramble also I got T-perm and this scramble also I got T-perm.
And you have almost the same time. Okay. So
No, you get a E perm, I get a J perm. So I get a A perm.
you
Nice.
get a A perm. Okay.
A perm.
Okay, guys. So one thing. Okay, Prabhu's still cool. Iron, don't be tense. You're very tense. Chill.
We both are nervous. Like,
No, don't be nervous. So don't go. What to say? If you're nervous, you'll lock up a lot. So that's why.
Yes.
Yeah. Uh, happens with me in competitions too. Like actual official
so
competitions. So,
send the next scramble.
yeah, it's done. It's already sent.
Oh, it's done.
Mm. Um,
You must scramble correct.
give me a second. Yeah, no. Iron, you'll have to rescramble. Probably you have the correct one. I
My
just
one is wrong.
yes.
Oh, I did a RP instead of R2.
Yeah, no
Okay,
problem.
I'm gonna solve it and then do it once more. Oh my god. Okay. Whew. Got it. Oh, thanks
Ready?
for this.
Yeah, no, he's getting a scramble. Yeah.
Okay.
Also, we have a big announcement, guys, from XOOG. I'll let you know all later. So, yeah.
Sir, is mine correct now?
Yeah, both of you have the correct sample. Correct.
I'm
So,
not ready yet.
yeah, no problem.
I think most of them are using GAN.
I believe
Yes,
everybody's
I'm also
using.
using. I'm also using GAN.
I'm using Moyo RS3M 2020.
That's a nice cube.
Ooh.
Okay, so ready?
Ready?
Yes.
Your inspection starts now. Eight seconds. 12 seconds.
Oh shit.
Messed up.
Okay, 16.19.
21.86. I had a great
15.
loss in F12. Same
20.
F12.
Okay, 865, right? 865.
I will be
Okay,
missing my average, I think so.
no, it's going good till now because your worst all will be cancelled, right? Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
my time is 16.19. Did you like set it up?
Yes, 16.19, right? Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah. Okay,
Send
your
the fourth. Okay.
that's the fourth scramble.
Fourth scramble.
Yeah. Yes, correct.
Okay, sir.
Can you show me your cue? Can you show me the white face? You'll have to rescramble.
What?
Scramble is wrong.
I scrambled it wrong.
Yes.
It's gonna take a long time.
No, it's fine. Okay. So the next
Oh,
is between Ryan and Prabu. So, okay.
sir, I'm scrambling it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Is it correct now?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Okay. So whenever you're ready.
Wait. I'm not ready. Yes.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Okay. So fourth solve scramble. The inspection starts now. 8 seconds. 12 seconds.
Oh, shit.
How much?
17.
0.33.
17.33.
I'm got
Seven-
17.51.
Okay. Okay. 17.51, right? Yeah. Okay.
One
Okay.
doubt, sir.
Uh,
In this league, we have round 2.
Mostly, yes. We do have, I think, top 6 or top 4, mostly like that. Yeah. So, okay, last all. And it's actually very close. It's 0.4
Yeah, in
seconds.
the first. I was watching it on YouTube.
You're watching it on YouTube. Yeah. I mean, can you see
Yes,
the...
yeah. I was watching it on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you have the next scramble here. Oh, sorry.
Wait,
No,
Wait, it's not sent.
it's still not sent. Yeah. Okay, it's sent now.
Oh my god, I know.
No.
Wait a
Okay,
minute.
send it.
Yeah. You would have got it.
Wait a minute. I'm putting this.
Yeah. Okay, come on.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please.
Then, is it correct?
Yep. Wait, is that the white side? Yes, Prabhu, you have the correct sample. Ayan, can you show me your cube again?
Should I show it? Right.
Yeah. Yeah, correct.
Okay. I'm just doing my warm-up. Prabu Bhaiya is also doing his warm-up. Okay. This is last one of the average.
What?
Is this the last one of the average?
Yes. Of the first round, yes. Of the first round, please relax and come on. Okay. So your inspection starts now. Eight seconds.
Oh my.
12 seconds.
Oh, 15.
I too got 15.74.
Oh.
I think I messed up this round.
I was 15.43.
How much? 15.43.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm 15.74.
15.74. Okay. Okay.
So who is the winner of the average?
1 second. Okay. So, okay, Ayan, you got an average of 16.58.
Okay.
And Prabu has an average of 15.91.
Yeah.
Very... No, Prabu got the average of 15.91.
I got.
Prabu got.
Yeah, I'm saying that only.
Yeah. So, so I think Prabu, you are from Team Vikings, right? And
Yes.
Ayan is from Team Titans. So again, this one goes to Vikings.
Okay.
I mean, anyway, nice averages, guys. So I think today's top average was by Vishwa with 15.83, and next.
Vishwa is my close friend.
Okay. And Prabhu, you have an average of 15.91. And then
I'm
Ayan,
second place, right? No.
as of now, yes. Ayan is in the third and Ahan is on the fourth. Yeah. So great. Okay, guys. Nice. Please watch the stream because we'll be having another round. Okay.
Sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Oh. I couldn't leave.
Yeah, just leave and you could watch
Yes,
the
I'm
stream.
leaving.
Yeah.